This is Premier Water and Sewer. We're doing a lateral inspection video post repair for 802 E Gray Friar in Marthasville, Missouri 63357. We dug up in the driveway in the neighbor's house to fix a spot that was broke. See there, we're looking at the main. Pulling back, it goes from clay to PVC there. It's 4-inch PVC all the way back to our clean out. I can't get the camera to pop into the main, being with so many turns in the line and the distance. See, there's another clean out on the system there. Not exactly sure where that is. Right here's where we pull through our return, or our repair. See, there's where we hooked on downstream. We had to put 222s in it to get it to line up again. It was completely settled and broke. See, there's where we used a glue coupling to hook onto the PVC upstream. Again, hooked on downstream. Now we'll continue to pull back. We're just going to make the video all the way back to the clean out. Right here's where we're at the bottom of our clean out. There's our clean out. Again, here's where we open the hole in the driveway to fix the sewer. That'll conclude the video.